Uh, Hello, Avery. Hello. Yeah, very early. I'm bored and I wanted to do something while waiting for something to download. Very, very early. And I'm very, very bored. Yes, good morning, Avery. Good morning. How are you? Did you sleep at all? Did you sleep at all, or you woke up at 3 a.m.? I woke up at like 1 a.m. already. And it's because I was watching some streams. You're my only viewer at the moment. Very lonely, but at least you're here. It would have been even more lonelier if it was just just me. Yeah, you're just spamming the like over and over again. You thought you only do lives on Friday to Sunday. Well, that's the thing. I can't make up a schedule. Plus this is just a really sudden life thingy whenever. And I'm really bored at the moment. It's very... Actually, no, too early. Hi, Hayato. Actually, no, I think I remember I woke up at 1 a.m., took a 2-hour nap. Hola, buenas. Hello, I don't understand what you said, but okay. This is probably just gonna be really short. Oh, my phone fell. You Pipino? I am Pipino, yes. Magandang umaga. Masyadong maaga pa. Saan nakatira yung hari ng mga sapatos? Sapatos. Okay. Shush, no fun. No funny jokes. It's too early in the morning and I'm not sleeping alone in this room. Ano yung pinakamatamis na sapatos? Ano? What is it, Ashi? Shaka chocolate. Diba? Sorry, masyadong maaga. Hindi muna ako nag-up ng mga too early. Masyadong maaga pa. Natutulog pa rito. Dapat hindi ako masyadong maingay. Kaya ba may dahon ng saging? Kasi iniwan sila kasi banana net. Ano ba? Kaya ba yung white yung loob ng fries kasi puti ito? Okay. Nabahashi. Kapag ba tumunog yung phone mo, meaning walang magnanakaw. Kasi naughty. Thank you, MV, for the 3 roses. Pag ba yung gunting nasa dagat, tawag doon seashore. Hashi. I wanna joke about sodium, but I don't think people would listen. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you for the heart me, Ashi. Naantok pa ako pero may gagawin pa ako. Alright. Avery, do you need me to speak English? I've been speaking Tagalog and I didn't realize. Do you need me to speak English so you can understand better, or can you understand Tagalog just fine? Ano magagawa ng maagang gising niyo kung zero naman tulog ko? I understand both languages, don't worry, G. Okay, just making sure. Because sometimes I forget I have viewers from other countries. And I'm more used to English, so... I'm peeping up too. I forgot. Okay, I'm sorry. I just forgot. Sapatos na maingay. Sapatos na maingay? Tumble. Masyadong maaga para sa mga ganito Too early. No, not too early for jokes. Ayaw pala may gising na sa baba. Ay, nagulat ako ron. Wait naman ako I know, but masyado lang maaga. Naantok na ako. I'll sing you a lullaby. No, Avery, I've heard from Ren that, Ren told me your voice sounded cute. Ang talaga. Ngayon kakagising ng cellphone agad. So, pag naglinis ka na, cellphone. Love growing up, I get to say things like that now. Yeah, it's a great opportunity, man. Hello, hi, STE, the Mimic VTuber. Mimic? Oh, well, yeah, that is a Mimic, okay. Hello, June. Good morning. And thank you for the rose, June. Thank you. Hi, Max. Hello. Di ka na di ka na mabasa. Kita ng boses. Antok. Antok lang na boses to. Hello, Max. Wala na akong isip. What to talk about? Wala na akong alam. Tutulog na lang ako. Anyway, I'm gonna happy streaming. Easy ka na dyan. Lalabas na hara. Okay, bye-bye, Ashi. At if ayaw ko lumabas yung araw, dito lang naman ako sa bahay. I just wanna stay inside my house and sleep all day. That's it. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Sinclair. What are you doing up at 5 a.m.? Wala. I'm just bored and sleepy. I'm supposed to be getting ready for something. Hello, Hiro. I don't speak Filipino, sorry, I'm Singaporean. That's okay. Chud. Avery, you're calling me a chud when clearly you're the chud here. 5 a.m. na need mo magkape. No. Yeah, for me. Son. Are you still awake? Oras pa lang live just a few minutes ago. Ngayon na, antok na ako. Siguro, ayan ko na ng mga 5:20 para magpayak na rin ako. Hindi mo magkape para di ka antokin. Hindi na. Hugas ang mukha, tsaka gising na ako agad. Ayoko ng kakape. I mean, minsan may exceptions, pero mag-save ka na mamaya 5:20. Chiri, hello, Matt. Hi, welcome. Nabuti naman tulog pa sila Ate Zainab. Hello, Matt. Hi, welcome. Good morning po. Good morning. Grabe ang lamig sa kwarto ko. $5.11. Yes, it is. $5.11. Tulog na. Tulog na. It's time to go to bed. Tulog ka na po. Hindi na pwede. Are you pencils? I can't read that. Pneumonotracheoscopic silicovolanoconiosis? What? Okay, hi yan. Tulog ka na, Jamie. Avery, no. Pag di daw natulog, papangit daw yung boses. Ala ka. It's the longest word in English. Oh, that's why it looked familiar. I remember searching it up on Google. And that popped up. Chiriru. Hi, Paul. Chiriru. Chiri, matulog ka na po, please. I'm saying, hindi na pwede. No, not needed anymore. Tulog ka na, son. I don't need to. I have to get ready. Pupunta kami sa palengke. Hello, Lisa May. Lisa May? Please. No, hindi na. Okay. Oh, bye-bye, Asti. Bye-bye. Kasi una na lagi kami. Like, anong matulog? Hindi na ako matutulog. Kaya nga pwede naman niyaya. Hindi matulog. Uy! Putol-putol na ngayon naman. Uy! Okay, siguro i-end ko na rito. Pinapagayak na ako ng mama ko. Okay. Bye-bye. Good morning, good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Okay. Bago makatulog ako. Ingat. Thank you. Bye-bye.